Hi, Brent. So just one question. I was just going through, I wanted to see what the student view of their marks looks like so far at this point. I've marked these 4 assignments, but for some reason my 2 discussions aren't being published. When I looked uh, through my discussion, um, I've marked it, but normally when I do that, there's another box or column that shows up that shows to be published, and that isn't showing up here. And even when I click through assessments, um, it's showing that I've marked them and that there was a comment attached to them. So when I go into my grade items, and look through it, it says that it's attached to the grade item. Um, so I'm not sure what's going on. Not that I wanted to enter grades, I actually wanted to edit it, save and close, sure. So when I go into edit it, just to make sure that it's attached to something, it's not showing up as proper. Or that, sorry, it's not showing up that it's not attached to something. It's showing that it is attached to the grade item. So I'm not sure what's going on or how I can publish those grades. So I'm in term work, maximum points. It was attached to the grade item up here, right there. So if you can give me some guidance, that would be greatly appreciated.